following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 456, effective until noon Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 456 has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to Vermilion, Ohio, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Elizabeth Park Marina to 35 nautical miles west of North Cape, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Put-in Bay, Kelly's Island, Sandusky Bay, and Huron. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Delaware, Cobb County in northeastern Indiana, west central Williams County in northwestern Ohio, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Angola, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Angola, Butler, Waterloo, Hamilton, Eden, Ashley, Hudson, Blakesley, Alvarado, Pleasant Lake, Crooked Lake, Hamilton Lake, Golden Lake, Salem Center, Arctic, Burleigh, Long Lake, Big Turkey Lake, Steubenville, and Metz. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 333 and 354. Interstate 80 in Indiana near mile marker 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Williams, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and Miami Bay, Ohio to Vermilion, Ohio, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a flood was located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles southeast of Gross Glen to 39 nautical miles southwest of North Cape, moving southeast at 35 knots. Wind gusts will increase to 34 knots as the trailing edge of rain departs. Winds will peak in the next hour or so before subsiding by 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach, Putin Bay, Kelly's Island, Sandusky Bay, and Huron. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.